The strike called by the Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owner and Drivers Association, Jaintia Unit, seeking the resumption of cement and clinker transportation from factories in Jaintia Hills, entered its second consecutive day today at Mihmyntdu, Khliehtyrshi. Association member Adon Kitalang told reporters that the protest continues to be peaceful and is being carried out in adherence to government regulations. He, however, alleged that some cement companies have begun deploying private truck operators in an attempt to weaken the collective stand taken by local truck owners and drivers. Talang further claimed that these companies have over the years invested heavily in their own fleet, ranging between 300 and 400 trucks each, thereby undermining the livelihood of local transporters and drivers who depend solely on contractual transportation for income. He said the association remains determined to continue the agitation until their demands are addressed and urged upon other transport operators to extend solidarity. The association also appealed to elected representatives to intervene and ensure that freight rates are fixed in line with government-approved norms so that local transporters can earn a fair wage and sustain their livelihood.
Hagajing sngau jongi nagaliang jong ka cement company kamapen sngau si yengi kilas dang ban pendon kam daki katu kat ni ki riu cement bat ngalaban ong riu kwan mentoy ban penpai yang ni gajing teli ga jongi kum ga association ba ini ki company kila pendon kam ya gini katu kat ni henrei nagaliang jongi ikarpat ibor hamtam nagaliang jongi hagani gerilom Jaintia bat gari khasi ga jongi ikarpat nagaliang ibor jong ki bahalor ngihang ni ngidon nyaungut ki MLA angai hang ni haga asusun jongi naboro gini gi nongbu truk kinongnya truk kidon hagani gerilom Jaintia ga jongi ngakarpat gini nyaungut kinong mi khmat ki jongi bakin perkhat nagbenta jongi ginong kamai ki barit ki baria kinong mela kinong bu kali bangin yo ya gani gador ko barmen kabala ayengi ngidiman bat ngi karpat bangin yo ya gador ka government kala bo henrei ki cement factory kimai kajing strike kajongi halor kajing bom ai ki cement factory ya gani gador government te kumta nagaliang jongi kumga association ngin yeng bet ban yele ngin ikut jingmot ban ngilarai ban yasha bat ban tristom akar paru igi pradkot ki pranambar jongi kinwan segani ka association ga jongi nang bangin yo ya ga jingjob kum ga jing ya teli agani ka beri punya trek ga jongi